Hey guys, welcome back to the Bronx. Is it welcome back?
No.
It's welcome to the Bronx. Usually I film running content, but come with us to make an apple cake. It is currently now 8:45 at night.
We see
We have school tomorrow.
different kind of apple.
We have different kinds of apples that we bought at a food stand in the street, and we're gonna turn it into an apple cake. While we also eat food because we're hungry, and dinner was 3 hours ago. Oh my gosh.
What happened? And the tip to make the delicious cake is you have to choose different kind of apple. Not so the same with religious one. Like, wow!
Can we just get a quick shot of Sean eating his croissant over there really quickly? Yeah, he's enjoying it. And he's gonna eat this apple cake when we're done with it, right, Sean?
I will.
So,
We know
guys,
how to
in
do
case
it,
you didn't know,
but-
I look up a recipe on YouTube every time because I don't memorize this recipe.
No, this recipe has been passed down from ages, from St. Alphonsus.
From
Who
St.
made-
Alphonsus.
Who made the first apple cake.
Honestly, what we'll end up getting, I think, is sitcom style video footage. He doesn't like me. Can you guys hear that? Like, he doesn't like me. Yeah, and all I'm gonna do is eat.
Yeah, so you'll need 5 teaspoons of white sugar.
Make sure it's the right one. That's wrong. That's the wrong recipe. So I currently have 2 cups of flour. I swear, if they come up with a different number, I'm gonna scoop this flour out. Like, look at this.
Hey.
I have 2 scoops of flour in here.
Make sure you remember how many.
I put 2 scoops. I'm
Okay.
recording it in the video.
Alright. Last time you always
No,
extra. You
last
always
time I
extra.
forgot. Where's the recipe?
I can't find it.
It's a YouTube video.
Which one? Is it the Jewish apple cake one?
Jewish apple cake. So guys, while we're making this, while I measure this next half cup, which brings this total to 2.5 cups of flour, I'm going to somehow
3 cups.
3 cups of flour. See, I was right. I was right. What did that say? I didn't say anything.
You said that.
I was right.
What are you doing? We
So-
doing?
We now have 3 cups of flour in, and we're going in with 2 cups of sugar.
They say 2.5.
We
but-
usually do 1.5 or
No,
2.
1, 3, 4, or 2.
We're gonna do 2 cups.
Actually, just do 1 and
That's half.
2.5 and a half of the half.
2.5.
And half of the half.
So
That's like 2, 3, 4.
this is 1 cup of sugar.
Oh,
So what do you want?
sorry, my bad. 1
And
and
3/4.
half, and
What?
half of the half.
Got it.
That's
So
1 and
guys,
3/4.
if you haven't seen any of my other videos, whenever Son and I go running, we actually come up with our own measurement system. So we measure everything by halves. So we'll go running and we'll start off running. We're gonna get to half of a half of a half of a mile, which in case if you didn't know is an 8. Math skills right there. Count. Guys, I forgot how much sugar I put in here.
See? Okay.
No, this
Stop
is
talking.
here. So we have 1 3/4 of a cup of sugar in here, and 3 cups of flour. No fighting. Do you see this? Look at that. Do you see that?
We're pulling.
Middle finger.
No.
Look at that.
We currently have 5 people in this kitchen, so I'm going to introduce you guys really quickly while I whisk all of our dry ingredients together. So my name is Andrew. I'm a 3rd year student. I'm a senior actually, and this is Sun, my other senior postulant. We came in together in 2021. And behind the camera, our B cam is Dan. Do you want to pop out in front of this camera real quick so people can see you? This is Dan, guys. and he is our other postulant. He's been here for 2 years, but he's in his last year as well. We have Sean over here. Sean is one of our newbies. He just joined this year. He is our first year. And then Hui is over there. He is our very dedicated background audience, here to give us support and provide the laugh track, which is non-existent because we're not funny. We try to be. Okay, what you just saw is Sun inhaling cinnamon. So there is okay. To follow along, I feel so bad for our editor right now. We have apples. In here there's an undisclosed amount of sugar, seasoned to taste, and cinnamon. What Sun and I do is we eyeball it, and we have a tendency to do that.
And then always,
sometimes, never taste the same, guys. Never taste the same. Where's this? Baking powder. We're gonna go in with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. This is the wrong container. Sean, can you give me the other container of baking powder?
Where is
It should be in the same area.
Over here?
No, that's not the area.
Oh, I was just behind it.
So this is the other. So we're going in with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Again, this is all going into our dry ingredients. The apples are flying everywhere.
We got the sugar.
Sugar, flour, tape, baking powder.
You have the egg?
How many eggs? 4?
4.
Wait, could you give me 4 eggs, please?
Sounds excellent to me. Did you guys get the yolk?
I got the yolk. I got the yolk.
Guys, in case you didn't know, what I've been getting into recently, and by recently I mean like the past year, is Korean dramas. So, I have learned how to say thank you in Korean.
We need 1 cup.
I need 1 cup of vegetable oil. I am pretty sure that's all I need.
So you need orange?
Yes, sir.
Orange, you glad that we have one?
Orange is flat. Another one. We is our comedian.
Hui is our comedian.
For now.
What do you mean for now?
Don't worry about it.
Oh. That's Wee's signature line.
Sean, how much orange juice is it? 1/3 of a cup, no?
1 cup, I think. Wait.
Pretty sure it's 1/3 of a cup.
A third of a cup. Double just up.
3/4.
No,
What?
1/3.
3/4.
No.
I know, we usually do 3/4. Can I get 2 more oranges, sweet? The last time we made this, I put orange zest in the thing. I'm not doing that this time. Or We have so many people that we have the incredible privilege of working with. And the biggest privilege that I have is I get to learn new words and test them.
Oh, like the word slay?
Like the word
Like the
slay.
word slay.
So guys, the default response to anything in the affirmative is slay. But don't hold the knife while you do that. We're gonna go in. Do you see this?
No,
Did you get that?
I saw nothing.
I need to
This is
demonstrate tomorrow.
That's alright.
Guys, this is the consistency we're looking for. It's like that. And now we're going to assemble our apple cake. First, you have your greased and floured pan. Go ahead and spread a thin layer of your cake batter on the bottom. That is our first layer. Sun is going to assemble the apples in here. And we're doing this is to help create layers after the cooking process. What do you guys do for fun? What do you like to do for fun, Sun?
For me,
Yeah.
I'm cooking.
Cooking is probably,
And you also see me a lot in the kitchen.
you will see Sun a lot in the kitchen.
Because
You'll
you're
see.
also in charge of the kitchen.
And
also-
also
yeah,
his
that
son's
also
job
added
to take care of the kitchen, guys. So he will be in the kitchen a lot. But
Fish
no.
sauce.
Fish sauce, guys. A great person that we knew, that we lived with in the homily, said that God is fish sauce. The same way we use fish sauce to add flavor to our food and enhance it, because fish sauce adds like an umami flavor to any food that you're cooking. It enhances it, it makes your mouth water, it makes it super good. God is the fish sauce. Or better, God is fish sauce, and God adds flavor to our lives. This is our completed Jewish apple cake pre-baking. We're gonna put this in the oven for 50 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on your oven. I'm putting it in at 325 into a preheated oven, and check on it. Whenever it is done, it's done. When you insert a toothpick, it should come out. It should come out. Cook. Sorry.
Sorry.
When you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, that means it's cooked. One of our little hacks that we've actually been using is we're going to take a pot, put some water in it, and stick it in the bottom of the oven to keep the cake moist. This is my preferred pot that I'm going to be using. It is a small, I want to say, 6.5-inch pot. It's done. It's done. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up.
Look at that.
Guys, this is our Jewish apple cake recipe. It's a recipe we've stolen from YouTube, but adapted it to make our own. And we change it every time.